2, 1, go. Are due today. Remember, Thomas High Poetry Contest has begun.
The digital arts pathway here at Natomas High School is all about photography and videography, and basically learning to combine still images and video and sound and music in a meaningful way to tell a story, to express your point of view, to be entertaining.
Well, what I like about this class is that I get to really express myself through like photography and videography, which is what I've always been interested in.
And really in the first year of the course, we focus primarily on photography. So like all the aperture, shutter speed, ISO, like all of those basics. And in the spring semester, we dive into Adobe Premiere and we start learning like the basics of videography. The second year, if students take the class again at an intermediate or advanced level, then they're producing our school news and they're shooting video of various events going on campus.
Well, I plan to major in like marketing or business, and marketing is a huge thing with like selling your product and appealing to the customer. So the way I've learned with photography, Mr. Kuhlman's taught us like the methods of how commercials shoot their commercials.
This class is very much a hands-on class. We have a class set of DSLR cameras, we have microphones.
And just kind of getting the opportunity to collaborate with other people, which is like editing or recording, filming, all that stuff.
If students can walk out of here being excellent storytellers, then I feel like I've done my job.
Sometimes it is stressful because there are like deadlines that have to be met, but other than that, like this class has been nothing but fun for me.